Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. Now, so today we are going to react to Fast Zone trailer. Now, this is SB19 and Francis Libiran. I guess this time I have a question, or I have an answer to my question. I have a question na nakaraan pa, no? But I think now I have an answer to my question. Na what the fuck is Fast Zone, man? What is Fast Zone? Nung nakaraan ko pa ito nakita, no? I mean, most of us, nakaraan pa ito nakita nung pinost ng SB19. But I actually have no idea at all. Meron akong question kung ano siya. Pero hindi ako naghanap sa comments or nag-research kung ano siya. No? Kasi, you want it to be a surprise because seems like ganun yung gusto nila mangyari, right? So, I want that experience as well. Pero at the same time, no, makapatanong ka, what the hell is Fast Zone? Tapos after nila i-post yun, no, yung parang I don't know, parang logo lang ng Fast Zone. After a few days, nag-upload sila ng mga solo picture na parang siyang naka-silver na na damit. So, alam mo yun, yung curiosity mo is tumataas ng tumataas. But paggising ko ngayong umaga, no? Paggising ko ngayong umaga, nagkape lang ako, naglaro ako ng Dota saglit, no? We have it now. Okay. So, yeah, I guess our answer is about our question is about to answer today. So, without no further ado, man, let's get it. Okay. Wait, is this a horror movie? Horror movie? Is this a Fast Zone? Ano ba to? Franchise ba ng Fast and the Furious? Oh. Beyond Trend. Wait, what is that again? Seat number 0914. Seat number 1022. Seat number 0616. Oh, we're both wearing a sando, no? A gray sando. Let's go. Beyond Sound. Sheesh. Looking fresh. Oh. Mukhang vampire si din, no? Mukhang vampire si Josh din, no? Bagay siyang gumanap na vampire, eh. Oh, no? Yung mata niya kasi. I'm sorry, what the hell? I'm sorry, just want to pause for a little bit. I still don't have an idea what is happening right now, but I enjoy this shot, no? The editing, the shot, when I'm sorry. I think I zoned out for a little bit there. Okay. I still don't have any idea. By the way, this trailer is about to be finished. Ang ganda nun. Ganda nun shot na yun. Parang mirror. I'm sorry. I'm glazing too much. Sorry about that. And then. Yeah, this one. Yan o. Kasi parang synchronize yung galaw nila. Parang silang mirror. Sorry. Francis Liberan. Is this oh man, I still don't have an answer. I don't have an answer. October 26. Is this a clothing? Okay. Wow, okay. There is a lot sa trailer na yan. At the same time, you still don't know what's happening, you know? Which is, it's a great trailer, no? Sa mga movie kasi, yun yung mga gusto mong klase ng trailer, di ba? Yung parang, bibigyan ka ng parang snippet na mga nangyayari. Pero, you know, sa mga movie lovers talaga dyan, alam naman natin na mas gusto natin yung trailer na hindi pa binibigay yung pinaka-plot ng kwento, di ba? Kasi, sana trailer nila pinanood mo, di ba? Pero at the same time, gusto mong makita yung mga, you know, mga snippet ng scenes sa trailer, you know, para ma-hype ka. Ganun yung ginagawa nila dito, you know? Parang movie trailer yung dating, ini-incorporate nila yung element ng paggawa ng trailer ng movie dito sa ginagawa nila. Pero kayo na pa sila nagkihila ng PC I don't know if that's a nylon or a wire or a thread. That's why nagkaroon ako ng idea na maybe this is like a clothing or like a collection of, you know, a collection, like a clothing collection. And I don't know, you know what? Because I'm so curious, I'm gonna search. Give me 1 second. Hindi ko na mapigyan ng aking sarili. I feel like this is going to give us an answer. Okay. So Francis Liberan is an architect and a fashion designer. So now it makes sense. Okay, so I have my question. Yan lang sinerch ko By the way, yan lang yung sinerch ko. Wala na akong ibang sinerch. Francis Liberan is a Filipino fashion designer who had made clothing designs that have been worn by Hollywood celebrities. It featured on America's Next Top Model. And now they are working with SB19. Man, moving mad, man. Big moves, man. Big game. Okay, alright. I need to chill out. Well, that's our reaction for today, man. But sorry. Kung hindi ko kasi kilala si Francis Liberan, I'm sorry. Probably rin pangalan niya sa akin. Pero I feel like kung hindi ko sinerch si Francis Liberan, wala pa rin akong idea kung ano yung trailer na yon. I mean, the trailer is amazing, no? Pero I feel like kung papanoorin ko siya ng parang yun lang, hindi ako kukuha ng clue. Katulad ng ginawa ko ng mga nakarang araw, hindi talaga ako nag-research. No, malalost ako. Maghintay pa ako ng October para malaman ko. Pero at least ngayon, no, meron tayong kasagutan na it seems like this is going to be a collection, our clothing collection, or maybe their clothing line. Fast Zone? Fast Zone? Bakit kaya Fast Zone? Well, I mean, yung studio nila is Zone, right? Maybe getting the zone. Ooh. Okay. I'm connecting the dots in here. But yeah, well, that is our reaction for today, man. Kung sana gusto nyo, leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mag-react with yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo sa mga ganon, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.